Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about the functions of hypothalamus. Let us let us assume the scar as an hypothalamus. Here is the radiator, the anterior part which is meant for the cooling, and it also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. And this is the exhauster, the which is posteriorly placed, which is meant for heating and also stimulates the sympathetic nervous system. Let us take this as an fuel cap which is laterally placed, and here it is the feeding center, the hunger center. There are two hormones which plays an important role: ghrelin G, which is for the weight gain, that stimulates the lateral hypothalamus, and the leptin, which is for the weight loss, which inhibits the lateral hypothalamus. And let us assume this is a fuel tank which is medially placed, the ventromedial nuclei. Here it is the satiety center, which is stimulated by the hormone leptin. Suprachiasmatic nuclei, so above the optic chiasm, which regulates the circadian rhythm, the day-night cycle, along with the pineal gland, the suprachiasmatic nuclei. Here comes the supraoptic nuclei, which secretes the antidiuretic hormone and plays an important role in the regulation of water balance, and also secretes some amount of oxytocin. Then comes the preoptic nuclei, which secretes the gonadotropin releasing hormone and plays an important role in the sexual behavior. Here is the parrot or the cod. C stands for CRH and O for oxytocin and T for TRH, and it also secretes some amount of antidiuretic hormone. And there is an arch to remember. This is the arcuate nuclei. So arcuate nuclei secretes the dopamine and some releasing hormones, especially the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon in the next video.